Welcome to my channel Phi Concepts CHM. This is the second part of silicon controlled rectifier series. We are going to study here the VI characteristics of SCR. VI characteristics of SCR. This is the VI characteristics graph. First we will see the forward characteristics. Here the anode will be positive with respect to the cathode. The gate current is 0 initially. If the supply voltage is increased from 0, a point A corresponding to the breakover voltage is reached. So we start from this origin O and we are increasing the supply voltage till point A. Here we reach the breakover voltage. The SCR starts conducting. Voltage across the SCR drops. So that is indicated by this dashed line, line AB. And the SCR turns on. Current is restricted only by the load resistance RL. Now, if proper gate current IG1 is made to flow, then the SCR can start conducting at a much smaller voltage denoted as V dash. So, if a proper gate current is set, then the SCR will switch on at a much lower voltage V dash, need not go till the breakover voltage. The SCR can be taken out of conduction only by reducing the current below holding current IH. So that is this holding current. Once the SCR starts conducting, the current increases rapidly. From where it starts conducting that current, this is called as a holding current. So to make it off, you will have to bring or you have to reduce the current below this holding current. Now reverse characteristics, we have to see in this quadrant. Anode is negative with respect to cathode. If the reverse voltage is gradually increased, at first anode current remains small, that is indicated by this curve. At some reverse voltage, avalanche breakdown occurs. The SCR starts conducting heavily in reverse direction, which is shown as line DE. This voltage is known as a reverse breakdown voltage. When the SCR is operated with AC supply, reverse supply voltage does come across the SCR. Maximum reverse voltage should be less than the PRV rating, that is peak reverse voltage. Well, now we will summarize. Supply voltage V is less than breakover voltage. The SCR is then turned on by passing proper value of gate current. SCR is turned off by reducing the anode current below the holding current. If the gate current is larger, SCR will conduct at much less supply voltage. One application of SCR is it is used as an electronic switch. It has two states, on state and off state. On state, you can put it in the on state when the proper gate current is passed. The SCR starts conducting. In the off state, when the anode current is reduced below the holding current, it goes into the off state. In the on state, it remains in that state even if the gate voltage is removed. Advantages of SCR as a switch over a mechanical or electromechanical switch. There are no moving parts, gives noiseless operation at high efficiency, very high switching speed up to 10⁹ operations per second, that is on and off operation will occur 10⁹ times per second. Controls large load current up to 100 amperes by means of a small gate current. Gate current is in the order of few milliamperes. Small size gives trouble-free long service. We'll see some terms. One is the breakover voltage. It is the minimum forward voltage. Gate being open at which SCR starts conducting heavily, that is, it is turned on. Normally SCRs have breakover voltages from about 50 volts to 500 volts. If the breakover voltage is 200 volts, suppose for example, it means that it can block a forward voltage as long as the supply voltage is less than 200 volts. If the supply voltage is more than this value, the SCR will be turned on. Peak reverse voltage, PRV, it is a maximum reverse voltage that can be applied to an SCR without conducting in the reverse direction. Commercially available SCRs have PRV ratings up to 2.5 kilovolts. If the PRV is exceeded, there may be avalanche breakdown and the SCR will be damaged. Holding current, it is the maximum anode current, gate being open at which SCR is turned off from on conditions. If an SCR has a holding current of 5 milliamperes, it means that if the anode current is made less than 5 milliamperes, then the SCR will be turned off. Forward current rating, it is the maximum anode current that an SCR is capable of passing without destruction. Commercially available SCRs have forward current ratings from about 30 amperes to 100 amperes. Circuit fusing rating, it is the product of square of forward surge current and the time of duration of the surge, that is circuit fusing rating is given by I square into T. Thank you for watching this video.